What's up, my name's TechNobo here for Troubleshoot, and in today's video, I'm going to show you something pretty simple, and it's not exactly the newest of tutorials, but I'm covering it just in case anyone came looking for this. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to link your Gwent account with your Twitch account in order to get random Twitch drops from watching other Gwent streamers or people who are streaming the supported games, which are listed down here. Basically all of the Witcher games, as well as Thronebreaker. So with all that said, head across to the first link in the description down below, which will take you across to playgwent.com/en/twitch-drops. When you get to this page, simply click Link Accounts. Then you'll be taken across to the GOG login page, simply input your details and then click Login Now. Once you've done that, you'll be taken across to your Twitch page, and if you're logged in on Twitch already, you'll see this over here. If it's on the wrong account, make sure to click Not You, Log Out to log in with the correct account, and then you can link them together. I'll click Authorize as this is my correct Twitch account. After doing that, you can see that my GOG and Twitch accounts are successfully linked. From here, all you have to do is log into the game to claim your instant reward, and you should automatically get Twitch drops when watching Gwent streamers. Clicking the link down here takes you across to the Gwent Twitch page, and it shows you a bunch of Gwent streamers. It's a super easy process, and I'll go ahead and open up the game now to show you how to claim your free reward. Simply open up the GOG launcher and click play next to Gwent. Then when we load into the main menu, skip our daily reward, and the Twitch drop you instantly got from linking your two accounts should automatically be applied to your account. I currently have 200 meteorite powder, which is 100 more than I had before I linked my accounts together. With that, everything's set up. From here, I can simply watch Twitch streams, and over time, I'll slowly grind items for Gwent. It's as simple as that. But anyways, hopefully you found some use out of this really short, simple tutorial. My name's been TechNobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!